The Keurig registered trademark K-Supreme single-serve K-Cup pod. Coffee Maker is a sleek and sophisticated addition to any coffee lover's kitchen. With over 10 years of experience in the field of product marketing, I can confidently say that this coffee maker delivers on its promises. One of the standout features of this product is its brand reputation. Keurig has established itself as a reliable and trusted brand in the coffee industry known for producing high-quality and innovative coffee makers. The K-Supreme lives up to this reputation, offering a satisfying coffee experience with every cup. The black color of the coffee maker adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen decor. It is a timeless and versatile color choice that complements a variety of styles. Whether your kitchen design is modern, traditional, or somewhere in between, the Keurig registered trademark K-Supreme seamlessly blends in. In terms of dimensions, the coffee maker measures 10.12 inches in diameter, 14.84 inches in width, and 14.41 inches in height.
The Hamilton Beach 49915 Flex Brew Trio two-way coffee maker is a versatile and efficient coffee maker that is sure to satisfy coffee enthusiasts of all kinds. With over 10 years of experience in product marketing, I can confidently say that this coffee maker stands out in terms of performance, features, and design. One of the notable features of the Hamilton Beach 49915 is its ability to brew coffee in two different ways. Whether you prefer single-serve or a full carafe, this coffee maker has got you covered. This flexibility allows you to enjoy a customized brewing experience based on your preference and needs. The coffee maker boasts a sleek and modern design in black and silver, making it an attractive addition to any kitchen countertop. Its compact dimensions of 13D into 14W into 16H ensure that it doesn't take up too much space while still delivering a generous capacity for brewing. The Hamilton Beach 49915 is equipped with programmable features allowing you to set the coffee maker.
The Keurig K-Elite single-serve K-Cup pod. Coffee maker is a remarkable addition to any coffee lover's kitchen. With over 10 years of experience in product marketing and writing, I can confidently say that this coffee maker stands out in terms of both design and functionality. The brushed slate color adds a touch of sophistication to any kitchen decor. Its compact dimensions of 9.9D into 13.1W into 12.7H make it ideal for both small and large spaces, allowing users to enjoy a delicious cup of coffee without sacrificing counter space. One of the standout features of the Keurig K-Elite is its removable tank. This convenient feature makes refilling water a breeze and ensures that you always have fresh water available for brewing. Additionally, the programmable function allows you to set the machine to automatically brew your coffee at a specific time, so you can wake up to the delightful aroma of freshly brewed coffee. Another notable feature is the built-in water filter.
The Keurig K-Express coffee maker, manufactured by Keurig, is a sleek and stylish addition to any kitchen. With its elegant black color, it seamlessly blends into any decor while adding a touch of sophistication. One of the standout features of the Keurig K-Express coffee maker is its removable tank. This feature allows for convenient refilling, making the process quick and hassle-free. The tank can be easily removed, filled with water, and reattached, ensuring a seamless brewing experience. In terms of dimensions, the product measures 15 inches in depth, 7 inches in width, and 15 inches in height. This compact size makes it perfect for smaller kitchens or limited countertop space, without compromising on functionality. As a coffee maker type, the Keurig K-Express is an espresso machine. This means it has the capability to brew rich, flavorful espresso shots, giving coffee enthusiasts the perfect caffeine fix, whether you prefer a single shot of espresso or a double shot.
The Keurig K-Classic Coffee Maker K-Cup Pod is a top-notch product that offers a remarkable coffee brewing experience. With over 10 years of writing experience as a product marketing expert, I can confidently say that this coffee maker stands out among its competitors. One of the key features of the Keurig K-Classic coffee maker is its brand reputation. Keurig has built a strong presence in the market known for producing high-quality coffee makers. As a result, customers have come to trust the brand for its reliability and exceptional performance. In terms of design, this coffee maker comes in an elegant black color that suits any kitchen decor. With product dimensions of 9.8 D into 13.3 W into 13 H, it is compact enough to fit into small spaces, making it a convenient choice for various kitchen setups. The Keurig K Classic coffee maker offers several special features that enhance its usability. It is programmable, allowing users to schedule their coffee brewing in advance.
If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.